So welcome back to this today's lecture. Yesterday, what we have studied is what exactly the forward difference, and we have seen the different varieties of operations. So today I'm going to use a forward difference sign, forward difference of e to the power x. Forward difference of e to the power x is only what we have studied that forward difference of f of x is nothing but what f of x plus h minus f of x. This is a forward difference. So forward difference of e to the power x is nothing but here instead of x बदल आम x plus h replace करथिले सेति this will be e to the power x plus h minus e to the power x. Okay, now we can see that what is e to the power x. We know that a to the power some x plus y, that means a to the power x into a to the power y. Okay, so here also e to the power exponential is x into e to the power h minus e to the power x. So now you take common this one, e to the power x. If you will take common e to the power x, the remaining is e to the power h minus 1. Okay, so this is the answer. Now you go for forward difference of log of x. What is this? Log of x plus h minus log of x. Okay, we know the property, logarithm property, log of a minus log of b is nothing but what? Log of a divided by b. So here minus is given, that's why log of x plus h divided by x. Okay, so log of x1 plus h by x. Okay, then next forward difference of sine of ax plus b. What is this? This is nothing but sine of a into, instead of x we can replace x plus h minus b, sorry, plus b minus sine a x plus b. Okay, now we can derive the formula sine a minus sine b. What is the formula? The formula is 2 into sine what? A plus b, a minus, sorry, 2 into sine a minus b by 2 into cos a plus b by 2. That is the formula. So use this formula here. Here this is going to be 2 into sine a h by 2 into cos of a into x plus h by 2 plus b is going to be like this, the formula. So finally answer will be 2 into sine a h by 2 into sine a x plus b plus a h plus pi by 2. Okay, similarly we can do a lot of things. So there are remarks. What exactly these remarks? Forward difference operator is a linear operator.
Forward difference operator is a linear operator. Okay,
Then the coefficients are given by Pascal triangle as follows. If f of x is a polynomial function of degree n, then it can be verified that 0. Then the fourth property is del of c into f of x is equal to c into del of f of x, where c is a constant. Okay, so I'm going to draw the forward difference table here. What exactly the forward difference table? Fi is nothing but n minus 1 into fi plus 1 minus n minus 1 fi. Okay, this is a forward difference table. So now I'm going to draw this is the x value, this is the f of x value, this is the forward difference f, this is the second formula, like higher order is 3 and order is 4. Okay, now you can see, suppose here this is the x naught value and this is x1 and this is x2, x3 and x4. Okay, this is going to be f of x naught. F of x naught means we can write f of x1. Okay, this is f of x naught, this is f of x1, f of 1, this is f of 2, f of 3, f of 4. Now what is the forward difference? Means we are going to subtract from here to here. It means what? F of 1 minus f of 0. That is our forward difference. So here f of 2 minus f of 1. Here f of 3 minus f of 1. Here f of 4 minus f of 3. Not 1 exactly. This is f of 2. Okay, so this one, instead of f1 minus f0, I can replace del of f0. Okay, this one I can replace del of f1, this one I can replace del of f2, and this one I can replace del of f3. Okay, now here you can see del square of f. Del square of f means, now what you have to do is you are going to subtract from here to here. So if you are subtracting del of f1 minus del of f0, here del of f2 minus del of f1, del of f3 minus del of f2. Okay, and here, so instead of that del of f1 minus del of f0, I can replace this one by del square of f0. Okay, this one I can replace by del square of f1, and this one I can replace by del square of f2. Okay, now how you are going to operate for this one? Now you have to subtract from here to here. So after subtracting, how it will become? Del square f1 minus del square f0. Here del square f2 minus del square f1. So instead of that, del square f1 minus del square f0, I can replace by del q f0. Here I can replace del q f1. Now finally this will be a del q f1 minus del q f0, but instead of that I can replace del fourth f0. Okay, this is the table. This is the forward difference. This is the forward difference table. Okay, I hope that you have understood this one. If in this table, if f naught is unknown at the first entry of this one, okay, suppose this value is not known to us. Suppose this value is not known to us, then what we can say about this? This f naught is known as the first entry of this f naught. Sorry, this f naught is known to us. This is the first entry of this table. Okay, this is the leading difference we call. Now, yeah, I'm going to add another page. Now we are given one example. Form a forward difference table for the following data. Okay, here x value is given to us and y value is also given to us. So for 0 value, here it is 8. For 1, it is 11. For 2, here it is 9. For 3, it is 15. For 4, it is 16. So this is a solution. Here you can see this is a solution. Now we are going to put those values. Okay, so here it is 0. Here it is 0. Here it is 1. Here 2, 3 and 4. So for 0, it is 8. 1, 11 is given. For 2, 9 is given. For 3, 15 is given. And for 4, 16 is given to us. Okay. Now what is the forward difference? Means we are subtracting from 11 to 8. So 11 to 8 if you will subtract, the answer is 3. 9 to 11 gale minus 2. 15 ରୁ 9 ଗଲେ 6, 16 ରୁ 15 ଗଲେ 1 ହେଲା. Again del square of y minus 2 ରୁ minus 3 ଗଲେ minus 5. So 6 ରୁ એટલે ଏଟା 8 ହେବ ମାନେ 6 minus of minus 2. So minus minus plus 6 plus 2 8. 1 ରୁ 6 ଗଲେ minus 5 ହେବ. ତାପରେ 8 ରୁ ଏଇ ଘର ପାଇଁ 8 ରୁ 5 ଗଲେ କେତେ 8 minus of minus 5 is equal to 8 plus 5 13. So minus 5 minus 8 is equal to minus 13. Okay, did I do something wrong somewhere else? Okay, this is not 16 exactly, this is 6. Okay, sorry, I have gone somewhere wrong. This is not 16, this is only 6. Okay, so this is not 16, this is 6 only. Okay, so 6 minus 15 is equal to what? Minus 9. So minus 9 minus 6 is equal to minus 15. So minus 15 minus 8 is equal to minus 23. Now minus 23 minus 13 is equal to minus 36. This is the forward difference table. Okay, for this question.